Welcome students in our mathematics class of class 9th, that is the topic is area of parallelogram and triangle. Now we have to prove one of the theorems, that is parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. So first of all we draw the figure, that is, let us suppose that this be a parallelogram. By the definition of parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. That is, we have to draw a parallelogram A, B, C and D. Now draw another parallelogram, base is AB, so this can be drawn this type of. Now take this. Therefore, ECD, E and F. Now given is, that is, this is the figure, and given A, B, C, D and A, B, F, E be two parallelograms stands on the same base AB. Now our proof is, that is to prove area of ABCD is equal to area of ABFE. ABFE. Now our solution is here, that is, since in parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel, therefore this AD is also equal to BC and AE is also equal to BF, and this will also parallel to, that is, AD is parallel to BC and AE also parallel to BF. Therefore, in parallelogram ABCD, that is, AB parallel to BCD and AB is equal to CD. Now BC parallel to AD, this implies that BC is equal to AD. Again, in parallelogram ABFE, here AB parallel to EF, this implies that AB is equal to EF. Again, BF parallel to AE, this implies that BF is equal to AE. This is the property of the parallelogram. Now we have to take this equation 1. Again, if two sides are parallel, then if AD parallel to BC and this will be transversal, so this corresponding angle is also equal to here, that is, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Again similarly, that is, angle 3 is also equal to angle 4. So in two triangles, again here, again angle 1 is equal to angle 2, because these are corresponding angle. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4, which is also corresponding angle. And if in a triangle if two angles are equal, then third angles are also equal. It means that is this angle 5. Angle 5 is also equal to angle 6. So we have to write, therefore this implies that angle 5 is also equal to angle 6, because third angle of a triangle. It means if any two angles of this triangle ADE and BCF are equal, then third angles are also equal. Okay, now we have to prove this triangle is also congruent to this triangle, and adding this portion is same from these two triangles. Okay, now take this equation 1. Here in triangle ADE and triangle BCF, AD is equal to BC, that is side of parallelogram. Again angle 5 is equal to angle 6, that is from 1, and AE is equal to BF, which is also side of parallelogram. This implies that triangle ADE is congruent to triangle BCF, because this which criteria? Side angle side. And if these triangles are congruent, therefore area also equal. Therefore area of triangle ADE is also equal to area of triangle BCF. This is equation 2. Now we add these two by the common area, that is the ABCE, adding both sides by area of which region? ABCE in equation 2. Now this implies that area of triangle ADE plus area of the region ABCE is equal to area of BCF plus area of region here plus area of region this ABCF. Now look here, that is area of ADE plus area of ABCF is equal to area of ABCD, which is also equal to area of ABCD is also equal to area of and BCF plus ABCE is both ABFE. Therefore area of ABFE. This is our proof. So we can write, if two parallelograms stand on the same base between the same parallel, therefore area are equal. And if a triangle stands on the same base, if a triangle and a parallelogram stands on the same base, so the area of triangle is equal to 1/2 area of parallelogram. Now we have to prove again in this theorem. Thank you.